YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Jade bracelet for my wife. Got this for less than $8. So the Chinese New Year's around the corner. So get ready to celebrate on February 16th. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Wow, it's broken. What? So she got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go ahead and check it out. It is sealed. So I'm not sure it's the same or different. So let's check it out. And this is from Amazon. So it comes with this nice seal, like a foil bag. It is also padded. Wow, come with this nice what? So this is not the jade, I don't think. Or maybe, oh, it is a jade looking. Nice. It's pretty and very nice. So this one of it, and it comes with this nice velvet pouch with the drawstrings, purple. Purple is her favorite color, so let's go ahead and try this one. There's another one, same velvet pouch. Wow, this is like a flat, purplish looking. Wow, and this one is smaller beads. Oh, what do you call it? Jade. Let's see and compare. Let's give you the comparison real quick. We'll just leave it out here, so maybe do some comparison later on. So all of them come with the purple pouch. Wow, this one's nice too. It's like a beige, off-white color. So got 2 more to go. So now the purple pouch. It's purple with the white. And last one, let's check this one out. So this is a small one as well. It's almost like the first one that I just unboxed, just a smaller one. So I'm gonna wear it for you guys to check it out on my wrist. So this is what's gonna look like around your wrist. Okay. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and share this with your friend, family on social media. Be sure to turn on the bell for notification and drop any other comments on below. Alright? Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.